everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Renu and you are watching Speak and Thrive. Today I am going to share with you some super practical tips on how to speak on random topics in English, especially if you are a beginner. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start speaking, and I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So stay with me till the end of the video, and if you like the video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe the channel if you are watching me first time. Now without any delay, let's get into the video. I'm super excited to share with you some practical tips that will definitely help you. I'm damn sure you are gonna love the video. Okay, so now let's start with the first point. Well, in first tip, I wanna mention this three-line method. Three-line method. Now, what do I mean by it? Whenever you are getting a topic, a random topic to speak about, it can be whether it can be hobby or books or anything. Now, you need to take care of this three-line method. First, what do you think? Why you think it? Give an example. Okay, so whenever you are getting any topic to speak about in English, you can use this three-line method. Now let me clear it to you. Whenever you are getting a topic, let's take a topic, book. Okay, I like book. Now I can express it. What do you think? Why you think about it? Give it an example. See the example. I love books. They help me to relax and learn new things. Last week, I read a story about a girl who built her own robot. Simple, right? And amazing. It is quite amazing and working method that you can apply. It will help you so much to speak on random topics easily. Just take care of this three line. What, why, and the example you can create. Okay, now let's move to the next point. So the second tip is that you need to use simple words. Do not go for big words in your explanation whenever you are speaking on a random topic. Use the word you know, because the English is about communication, not complication, right? So always use the word you know so that you can actually speak about that and can easily present your idea. For example, instead of saying the precipitation is heavy today, simply say it's raining a lot today. So always use the word you know. Don't just perplexed remembering difficult or some advanced word where you are going to fumble stuck and you are going to end up the conversation. So always use the word you know and try to explain more and more, because the purpose is speaking more and more so that we can sharpen it. Now let's move to the next point, or you can say tip. In this point, you need to think in English. Now you need to think in English. What do I mean by it? You are using this pen. Okay, this is a pen. You can create more sentences about it. This is a pen. I use it to write my daily routine every day. I use it to write something important. To do a to-do list I write with this pen every day. You can create more example with this pen. Like just try to think about different objects and create related sentence with that object. It will ultimately help you to start thinking in English, and once you are perfect in that, it will be so easy for you to speak English fluently and confidently. Okay, so start with small things like items, objects, or whatever around you can see. Just start with that. Think in English. Just record yourself. Pick a topic like a day with my phone, my favorite food, my favorite dress. Just explain that for 1 minute. Record yourself. And this is actually the process actually helps you to progress. When you are recording yourself, you're observing your mistakes, your issues, where you are actually struggling, you are listening yourself while explaining that uh, topic. It will help you so much to get improve in that particular area, and also you will be not repeating that because you know that it is the only area you are making mistake in, right? So always record yourself whenever you get time, record yourself, listen it and improve it. All right, so record and improve at least for 1 minute. You need to do that. Another tip I have for you, which is use AI or speaking apps, which gives you feedback instantly. No pressure, no judgment, just real life learning, real English. And the final tip is just start. Give it a start. Don't wait at all. Nobody start fluent. Everybody begins with, oh, what should I say? But those who keep learning, those who keep practicing, become confident speakers. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, share, subscribe and comment if it was helpful for you. And of course, just from today onwards, pick a topic, start speaking about it. Just tag me or share with me. I would love to see your progress. See you soon.